India's golden boy Neeraj Chopra is on the cusp of another major milestone. The Neeraj Chopra Classic event, which is set to take place later this month, will mark the country's first ever international javelin event. Some of the top stars, Olympic winners, world champions will be part of this blockbuster competition. And while the expectations are building up fast for India's first, the organizers have stirred it all up by putting tickets on sale ranging between $2 to $530. What's interesting is that just a few years ago, you wouldn't have dreamed of India hosting a javelin event with the best from around the world. That turnaround was possible courtesy Neeraj Chopra. The sport has become a commercially viable option in India's sporting fold. How did Neeraj make it all happen? Here's our next report.
The Neeraj Chopra Classic event is set to take place in India later this month in the court of Bengaluru. And the javelin throw blockbuster is already making waves in the country because the build-up to the event had it all. It started with Tokyo Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra inviting Paris gold medal winner Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem. A normal invitation from a friend to his cross-border rival. But the Pahalgam terror attack derailed everything. Nadeem decided to skip the event given the tension surrounding both the countries. Neeraj too facing the heat for inviting Nadeem. And India's golden boy had to issue a clarification that for him it's always the country first. And the whole episode has done enough to hype up the excitement surrounding the event. Because while we won't get to witness the brotherhood between Neeraj and Nadeem in Bengaluru, it will still have some of the most iconic names in the sporting world. Two-time Olympic gold medalist Neeraj will headline it. Two-time world champion Anderson Peters is participating. Thomas Roller, 2016 gold medalist, will be present too. World champion Julius Yego too will be part of India's first. And Curtis Thompson, the current season leader, is also going to be present. Which is the reason why the organizers are capitalizing on the eyeballs the event is getting. Tickets for the classic competition went live. It was divided into several categories depending on where you'd be seated in the stadium with respect to the action. From normal stands, tickets near the pitch, to even corporate boxes, the event has been made accessible to all. The lowest price ticket for the stands is $2, the highest going up to $120. And for fans looking for a more VVIP experience, 5 corporate boxes, each accommodating 15 guests, have been constructed especially for this. All this highlighting the work being put in for the upcoming athletics competition. The organizers are not just building new stands, but want to make the viewing experience an absolute treat. And the reason behind all that has been Neeraj Chopra.
बिल्कुल सबसे पहले तो बताऊंगा कि ये बहुत ही लंबा ड्रीम है बहुत पहले का कि जब मैं खेलने जाता था बाहर और मैं देखता था कि यार कितने अच्छे इवेंट्स होते हैं बाहर के लोग कैसे सपोर्ट करते हैं और बस मजा आता था मेरा भी मन था कि कभी इंडिया में ऐसा हो पाएगा क्या कि इंडियन लोग आए ऐसे अच्छे इवेंट हों और वर्ल्ड क्लास एथलीट इंडिया में compete करें और हम उनके बीच में compete करें और हमारे लोग खेलते हुए देखें.
Up until 2020, when Neeraj broke the shackles by winning the Tokyo Olympics gold medal, javelin throw was still not a popular sport in the country. But ever since Neeraj got India its first gold in athletics at the Tokyo Olympics, the focus on this discipline and athletics in general has only grown. India sent a 29-member contingent for athletics at the Paris Games. And that was just the start for Neeraj. With brand endorsements and adverts, his net worth has shot up to $4.5 million. He has become the face of Indian athletics.
He's a huge, huge inspiration. I love what he does. I think he's a really talented and great athlete. What he's doing for sports in India is really an amazing thing.
Which is the reason why Neeraj's impact goes beyond just the sport. He has transformed a sport like javelin into a commercially viable option. Much of his own enigma and persona is a huge factor as well. The athletics meet won't just be India's first international classic event, but it will mark a revolution in India's sports industry. What Neeraj's achievement has done is given Indian sports another platform to stand tall. And with India strongly pushing for a chance to host the Olympics in 2036, it's the success of tournaments and events like this that will pave the way.